Hey guys, so I just want to make this video to onboard some people on BullX exchange, and I have my invite link. This is invite only, and why I am telling this, and this is not a paid or sponsored video. I just want my community to be the fastest, the safest, and make money, not lose money. And why BullX is the basically the best platform to buy and trade crypto. Right now it is only on Solana. Hopefully they will make it on Base. But the fact is, for example, if you're trading with Phantom Wallet, you are trading on Jupiter or Radium, basically all the Solana based applications. The thing is, when you need to buy something fast, buying with Phantom Wallet or swapping, signing transactions, that's really slow. And for Solana, the worst thing is that Solana can get congested, as it already did in this year, in the last year. Basically every year Solana has these basically major moments when something huge is happening and the chain is basically not strong enough and it gets congested. And this is the basically main reason why I'm using BullX, is because you can basically set your own fees when you are swapping. You can basically set your fees when you are buying, selling. You can press auto sell, and every time, for example, you are buying some meme coin or Trump coin, whatever, you are investing, for example, $10,000. You can set the auto sell when it goes below 10%. It dumps basically 5%, 10%, whatever you want. It basically does the auto sell for you, so you are not losing more than 10%, or however, or yeah, how many you want. You can basically set even for 1%, 2%, and the same for the gains. If you are okay with getting 100%, which is 2x, you can press auto sell. For example, you have to go sleep and you don't want to sell. I mean, you don't want to hold for a long time. You can hold it for example, it goes from $1 to $2. You have automatic, like auto sell. Basically, these automations is the most important part in the crypto, and basically the sad part is that 99% of people get burnt, get dumped on by people that are using these advanced tools. And the best part is that BullX is for free. And again, this is especially if you're selling meme coins, but overall you cannot predict when Bitcoin dumps by 10-20%, and that's when you want to get your stop losses in. You want to set everything, and I have tutorials explaining you how you can actually do this. And yeah, that's basically what I want to tell you in this video. And there are basically some more tools inside the app. For example, Twitter tracker. You can track tweets from celebrities or Coinbase listings, Binance listing account. You can track wallets, which is more advanced, but again, really easy. I have my tutorial on that as well. And yeah, that's basically what I want to tell you. And if you don't want to use BullX, use everything. I mean, anything else that has a stop loss and is basically faster, showing the bumps and dumps or how the candles are moving. BullX is the fastest on that feature as well. Yeah, this is basically what I want to tell you. If you want to keep using Phantom Wallet and Radium, Jupiter, that's okay. That's just my opinion. That's what I want to tell you. Because as the crypto markets get into a bull run, if there is a big hype, the prices will jump even crazier. And right now there are so many smart fraudsters, scammers, hackers. That's why you have to basically advance. You have to upgrade yourself. And yeah, if this app was paid, I would not be using it, but again, it is free. They are taking some fees for your transactions, but again, Phantom is also taking fees. Jupiter, Radium, everything is taking fees. And yeah, for your safety, That's what I'm using for my safety, BullX. And again, invite is in the description. This is for Solana only. If you are swapping on Ethereum or Base, there is not yet a great application like this for Base ecosystem, but hopefully the BullX will upgrade, and hopefully we'll see Base ecosystem coming on BullX as well. If you enjoyed this video, press like, comment, and thanks for watching.